Hi friends, welcome to our holiday. In this video, we are going to show you Hyde Park in London. So if you are new to our channel, please subscribe for more holiday videos. Now we are going to start our walk from Oxford Street side. The park is one of the most famous park in England, located in central London. A place to walk, run, play with your children, ride a bike or scooter, enjoy the food over the lake. So many things you can do. And there's a lot to see, so let's get started, friends. There's a beautiful lake inside with boats, and it's filled with friendly sounds, geese, ducks, and other variety of birds. They all relax around water and very happy each other. So if you wanna get refreshments, there are plenty of cafes around lake and cute ice cream shops too. And there's a boat club to rent a boat for 30 minutes or 60-minute boat hire. And the cycling is also available around the lake. The park is really big, so definitely prepare to spend some time, and please be kind to birds around the lake and keep it clean. And dogs are allowed in this park as well. So Hyde Park is a beautiful London park. It has something for everyone. It has lot to see and do for all ages, from the youngest to oldest. And there's no doubt this is a beautiful park that you enjoy with your whole family or with your friends. So what and why you are waiting for? Come and enjoy. If you all like our holiday videos, click subscribe and see you soon our next holiday. Thanks for watching.